Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Shilpa Data Insights.
Today we are going to discuss about the secret scope, how exactly we can manage the secret scope, what all level of permissions are there in the secret scope. So what exactly is a secret scope? A secret scope is a collection of secrets that are identified by name. So basically let's first understand what is a secret. Secret is nothing but a key value pair that stores the secret material with a key name unique within a secret scope. So let's try to understand each keyword that we have here. It says it's a key value pair. So whenever you are declaring a secret, it should be in a dictionary format, which should be a key and a value pair, and it stores what? That key value dictionary stores your secret. Secret is what? Anything which you don't want to disclose it to someone, that is a secret. Let's say you have two friends and you are discussing something and you don't want that particular secret to be disclosed to a third person. So you will go ahead and communicate in a signed language. So that is a secret that you have between two people, but you don't want to disclose it to the third person because he or she doesn't want to know that secret that is there between two people. So therefore, that secret cannot be disclosed to anyone except two people. Now, that secret should be unique within a secret scope. So you can think of it's a bunch of secrets that you are storing in a particular secret scope, and each secret is having one particular name which is unique. Let's say I am sharing one secret which is secret 1 to a person. So I will tell to the other person, don't tell this secret 1 to my friend XYZ. Then I'll share the second secret to that same person of my friend. And I will tell, don't tell this third person about my secret too. So secret 1 and secret 2 is actually two unique key names. So now let's say secret, as per the Databricks term, is any credential, any authentication code, any password, or any auth code, or any sensitive information that you use in the Databricks code, that is a secret. So you don't want to actually disclose your credentials, authorization code, or password to anyone. So for that, you are actually redacting that particular information in the form of a secret, and you are putting that secret in the code rather than giving the complete information or the complete credential to your code. So managing the secrets include two steps. Let's say you have created your secret, but for creating your secret, first of all, you need to create a secret scope. Once you have created a secret scope, inside that bucket, you can create a secret. I'll explain you with a particular diagram in the next slide. So why exactly you will need this? You will need this because you don't want to explicitly mention any kind of authorization key, password, access code, or credential in your code. So if you'll see in this particular diagram, you have your account name, you have your container name, and you also have an access key. This access key is a very big access key or a password that exactly is present in your Azure portal that you copy paste. But inside this, you don't see what is my character, what is my key password that I'm actually using in access key. So this is actually redacted. I have created a secret out of that password, and I'm not putting that password in my complete code. I want to access my storage account, the container name this, but without actually explicitly displaying my credential. So now how you can manage your secret in Databricks. First of all, each workspace In that, you create a secret scope. Then you create a secret. So in this diagram, if you will see, this is one space that I have, that is my Databricks workspace. Inside that Databricks workspace, I'm creating three scopes. One is secret scope 1, second is secret scope 2, third is secret scope 3. Inside the first secret scope, I'm actually creating secret 1, then secret 2, and then secret 3. So each secret scope is actually a bundle of multiple secrets. So you can define at least or maximum 1,000 secrets inside one secret scope. And in one Databricks workspace, you can only go ahead and create 100 secret scopes. So let's say there are 3 modules in which you are working in a project, and each module you can create one secret scope inside which you can create your 1,000 secrets inside it. And the second module you can create another secret scope and another 1,000 secrets, and so on till you limit having the 100 secret scopes basically. So now let's go ahead and see what are the types of secret scope. There are basically 2 types of Databricks secret scope. First is Azure Key Vault backed scope. So what is Azure Key Vault backed scope? So whenever you are declaring a secret scope, it needs to be stored in a particular location and it needs to be encrypted. So if you are using an Azure Key Vault backed scope, then Azure Key Vault takes care of the encryption and storing of the data in the Azure Key Vault back. And this particular Azure Key Vault back scope, you can manage all your secrets either using your REST API or using your Azure Portal UI. So if you have your UI, it becomes very easy to actually encrypt and get stored all your scopes inside the Azure Key Vault. Now we have Databricks backed scope. Databricks backed scope is actually limited to Databricks, in which you are getting a database of Databricks which are managed internally by Databricks, and the secrets are actually encrypted and owned by Databricks platform. Then this Databricks secret scope that are backed by Databricks can only be created using Databricks CLI. So you will not have any kind of a portal in which you can go ahead and create it. You need to use your CLI in order to create your Databricks backed scope. I'll go ahead and show this in the practical as well. So stay tuned till the end. And if you are liking this video, then hit the like button, share it with your friends, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel as well. Then comes is the permission level of the secret scope. In the permission level, the first permission that you have is you get all the permissions for your secret scope, starting with managing everything that you have in the secret scope along with the ACL. With the help of ACL, you can actually fine-grain your permission to different people and groups for accessing different secret scope. So you can go ahead and manage your secret scope starting from reading, writing, managing to whom basically that secret scope is visible and accessible. So secret scopes, you can also give permission. Let's say you have 2 teams and you just want to give the access for that particular secret scope to one team and not to the other team. You can do that, and you will see this in multiple projects. If you're working in a project, you will see it that you may not have an access to a particular secret scope because you are not given the permission. So in that case, go to your administrator and they will help you in giving the access to that particular secret scope with the help of the access control list and the manage permission. Then comes is the write permission, in which you can read and you can write your secret scopes. Then is the read, in which it will allow you to read the secret scope and list all the secrets that are available inside it. But you cannot write any secret inside that secret scope. Now let's see how to do a secret scope creation. So first of all, to create your secret scope, you need to install your CMD and your Databricks CLI. Once you have done that, you have to generate your new token with the help of the Databricks and configure your CMD with the Databricks configure hyphen hyphen token. And then you can list the secret scope if in case any secret scope is already created. And then you can create your Databricks secret scope with the help of the Databricks secret create scope hyphen hyphen scope and then demo. Then you can create your secret inside your secret scope with the help of this command and provide your access key and what is the value inside that particular access key. Now you can list your secret scopes with the help of again the Databricks secrets list hyphen scopes. Then you can delete your secret scope as well with the help of this particular command. So let's go ahead and do it in the practicals. So if you have your Databricks already installed, you just mention the Databricks and it will show you what version of Databricks it's already installed. In my case, it's 0.17.4, okay? And it gives you all the commands that are frequently being used. If in case it's not installed, you can use this particular command that is pip install Databricks CLI. If you have not generated the token, go to your Databricks. Okay, then you go to your settings. You have your developer access. In that developer access, you can go ahead and create your access token. So I already have my access token. You can click on the generate token, provide the comment and click on the generate option. Once you have your token ready, then you run this particular command that is then Databricks configure hyphen hyphen token. It will ask you what token you have generated and give that token name. This is important, otherwise it will not get connected to your Databricks workspace basically. So make sure you configure your token as well. I'll share this particular notepad with you so that you can go ahead and run this command without any problem. Now I already have my Databricks. So let me go ahead and run the list of scopes and see if in case there is any scope that has been created. If in case it's created, it will show me the list of scopes that are present. So I have multiple list of scopes here. I've created a scope called Databricks, and in that we have demo and that backend by Databricks. These are Azure Key Vault that has been there, and this is my Databricks backed secret scope. Now let's say I want to create the secret scope. So I will just use this particular command and I will mention another secret scope called demo1. Okay. And I'm creating this particular secret scope. Now it is created. Now if I rerun the previous command called Databricks secrets list hyphen scopes, it is going me to display the demo1 again. And it also backed by Databricks. Backend is my backend scope is Databricks. Now let me go ahead and create my secret basically because I have already created my secret scope. So now my next step is to create my secret basically. So I have my secret scope as demo1. I want to give my key as access key and I want to give my string value as my key here. Okay. In that my key, that is my string value and my key is access key. Let me enter. Now my access key is ready. The next step that I will be doing here is I will be going ahead and I will be checking this particular thing in my Databricks workspace. Okay, so let me go back to my notebook. So in this notebook, if you will see, there's a command called Databricks secrets.list. And I will mention demo1 because I have my demo1 as my secret scope. It will show me what is my secret metadata, that is what is my key that is getting stored inside my secret scope called demo1. If you want to access the key that is access key, I have to mention the access key. How you can do it? You can do a dbutils.secrets.get. With the help of that get, I'll mention my demo1, that is my scope name, and what is my key? Key is my access key. It will be a redacted format because this is a sensitive information. You cannot go ahead and check what secret is present inside my secret scope demo1 and the value of it. I cannot get it. But if you use this particular command, you are able to use this command in order to get it but in the redacted form, and the machine will be able to do a conversion of this redacted and get the actual data, and then it will be actually able to know the password and create your connection successfully. So in this video, we actually saw how to create a secret scope, how to use the secret scope, and what is a secret scope, what is a secret, and how to actually create them and use them. If you have find this particular video helpful, then hit the like button, share it with my friends, and subscribe to my channel.
Thank you so much for watching, and I wish you have a good day.